everybody, this is Diane with Crafting with Fury. Hope each and every one of you are safe and healthy no matter where you are. I am here with the project share for In Love Art Shop, and I will leave their link and the link to these awesome dies down below. And I do have a coupon code that if you shop with them that you could save on your next order, and I will leave that down below, and I truly appreciate it. Guys, I have had a blast with these dies, and I've still got more to come, so stay tuned. So let's get started. I'm just going to, we'll just start with one and work our way around. We'll start with this awesome electric fan die. Now this right here, it comes with 3 pieces. Super cute, comes with a stand, and then the fan blade, and then the fan cover. And what I did was I cut it out in black foam, black paper, and actually like a really pretty holographic foil paper. And I decided to make a tag, and this is what I did. And it says, "Enjoy today, make it count." And what I did was I cut it out in black foam, which I left which is this right here coming out of the fan cover. These little pieces in there. I kind of made it look like, okay, it's going round and round and round. Then I popped up the fan blade underneath, and you can see it's dimensional there. And then here is the stand I done in black paper. Is that not adorable? Cute die. So this is the electric fan die, and this is what I created. I created this tag with it, and really had some fun with these dies. This is the hot air balloon die. You get several pieces with it. You get the actual balloon, the hot air balloon, like the pieces that go inside the hot air balloon, which you can see how I cut it out there. I cut this out in black and gold. See how pretty that is? There's that die. You get 2 different baskets. You get a banner and some balloons. And there, see right here is the pieces that you can cut out separate and change the color of the balloons. And here is the 2 basket dies, and you can see I left the little basket die in there. But so you get all these dies, and this is the card I created. I done it in black and gold, and then I used like a shiny gold for the baskets here. Look how pretty that is, and I did pop it up on foam. I love using foam. It's easy to use. You just glue it down, and easy peasy. And this card says, "To explorers, find joy in the journey." I love it. I love the way this looks. You can use this for anything, any color. Super fun die. So this is the hot air balloon die, and this is the card I created with that. And let's put this back in the bag so I don't lose any of my pieces, because I'm bad to do that, guys, and I don't want to lose these awesome dies. All right, so that one is the hot air balloon, and this is the 4-piece lantern set. You get these huge lantern dies. You get 4. You get these 2 here, and you get these 2 here. And the 2 that I used was, I believe it was this one and this one. So I used this die here, and then this die here. Look how big they are, guys. It's big as my hand. And look how pretty they cut out. Here's some examples. Here is this beautiful one here. Look at that, which is this die here. but I cut it out like in different colors so I can get, look how pretty. I love this die. You could really have some fun with this one, guys, for Halloween, for Christmas. Super cute. And I actually used the pieces like from here. I actually used those pieces as decorative pieces, which you could do. That way you don't waste any of your paper. So let's look at the card I created. So here is the card I created. I did put a chain up here where the lanterns are hanging. And I cut this one in silver foil. And then I used some of that blue holographic, like for the lights inside. And see where this right here is? I put this right here. And then this, like right in here. And some of these. And that way it just makes decorative pieces. Loved it. And put it up on black foam, you guessed it. And it says, may you touch butterflies and stars, dance with fairies, and talk to the moon. I love the way that turned out. There's so many possibilities with this die. Oh my goodness. Love it, love it, love it. So this is the 4-piece lantern die set. Look how cute that is. That'd be pretty on a tag. So many possibilities. So many possibilities. And this is the Happy Birthday Artistic die. And you get this beautiful die that says Happy Birthday. It's got these balloons here and a butterfly and a flower there. Some stars all around it. And this is the card I created. Love the way it turned out. And I used red foil. And I actually used the black foam behind it. But what I like to do is I like to just kind of not put it on real straight, because it's almost like it gives it depth and dimension to where you can see the black behind it like a shadow. And then I did some diamond dust on the confetti and used some gems. Love the way that turned out. I'm trying to get into doing better cards, guys. I'm really trying. So I love the way that Happy Birthday is. So cute. So that is the Happy Birthday Artistic die. And this is the Gear Decor die set. And you knew when they come out with this, I had to have it. And here is the die. It actually cuts out in several pieces. You've got this piece, which is one whole piece right here, okay? Then you've got this piece, which is this whole piece right here. These clock hands cuts out separately. You've got a separate gear here that cuts out and a separate gear here that cuts out. So you actually get like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dies. Pretty, pretty, pretty. I love these gears, this die set. Very stinking cute. And this is the card I created with it. And I did the same thing. I cut out it in black foam and then in gold glitter paper. And then I put the you can see right here, let me see. You can see the foam that just kind of gives it a shadow and dimension behind the gears. I love it. I love the way it turned out. And it says art must be an expression of love or it's nothing, which is true, which is so true. I did put some gems on the gear paper here. And then here is the clock hands. Put a little gem here. So this is the Gear Decor die set. And so this is my project share for In Love Art Shop. Had a ball doing these. And I'd like to thank In Love Art Shop for sending me these dies. I truly appreciate it. And guys, like I said, I've got a coupon code down below. Go check them out. And I'll leave all the links to these awesome dies down below also. Thank you so much for stopping by. I truly, truly appreciate it. I hope you have a blessed week and may God bless each and every one of you. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.